Hello, welcome to TLN, the Light of Nation page again. Alright, how are you doing? I hope you're fine again. Okay, today what I'm going to share you is an idiom again, which is related to the moon again. Lana but that the idiom need to go tap your share load on me. Bigger the previous video finally the male Lana but that a little cool share it. I hope you stay remember it. Mami direma. Once in a blue moon. Down care pit down pick is really. Okay? Good. Anyway, let's move to the new one. Not because it's no? That is over the moon. Over the moon. Oh, la boy, you like that. What is the meaning of over the moon? La boy, you what is that? Okay, it means extremely happy. Along a young pure over the moon. Okay, no? Let's see the example sentences later. Okay, number 1. I'm over the moon because I'm doing what I want. I'm over the moon. Because I am doing what I want. Extremely happy. Okay? Example number 2. Okay, if schools are open on weekends and closed on weekdays, children must be over the moon. If schools are open on weekend, again on weekends, Sunday the Ningrima, Pungame, Pido, close on weekdays. The Nilani Taujaniti, children must be over the moon. Kaledi Alwa, Toto Pure Mave, Toto Pure Matijar. Okay, no? Very good. Well, the last example is just trying to help the poor. You will be over the moon. Okay? Just try to help the poor. The poor say no pare to the go. You will be over the moon. Me alone me Pyoshin Muyabale me. Alone me Pyoshin Babale me. Alright? So this is about the idiom over the moon. Over the moon. I'm now over the moon, and I hope you're also over the moon, because we are practicing together. We are learning something to improve ourselves, right? Okay. Don't forget to help the poor. Well, see you in the next video and have a good day again. Enjoy this video. Bye.